Welcome back to Tansy Academy. In this video, I am going to explain you about your chapter 3 assignment. So every student, I have in our training course, we have a total 8 projects, and a given student can select any project and have 8 videos describing about the project in detail. So let's say if you so the better way to navigate to the project is go to the tansacademy.com and then go to SQL projects. So here you have 8 projects listed. So if you have selected a, let's say, student management system, or if you have selected a hospital management system, we want you to complete all the 7 assignment as part of this project. It's not that you are doing assignment 1 here and then assignment 2 here. So we are here to talk about the first assignment of your project. If I click this, that will be part of the chapter 3 assignment. You see, it's chapter 3 and then assignment. So though you have 2 assignment listed in chapter 3, you will be doing only one assignment relating to your project. Again, if you are doing hospital management system, we have published hospital management system assignment under Postgresql. That is okay. If you want to do this project in Mysql or MS SQL server, that is fine. Do not worry about where it's published. Okay, just worry about you have to do this project assignment from this chapter 3. So this is how it's listed in MySQL. It's company management, but you can do this company management in Oracle database, not an issue. You can use the same set of questions. Okay, so let me go back. So you have to select a project and try to complete all these 7. As I said, first assignment is related to the chapter 3 assignment. Okay, so what is about chapter 3 assignment? We have already learned about the tables, rows, columns, how to store the tabular data in chapter 3. So that is what you will be practicing as part of this assignment. So what we want you to do is you have to list tables and columns for hospital management system. In real time, for real hospital softwares, there will be hundreds or thousands of tables. We do not want you to go to that stretch. You defining a minimum of 20 tables is good enough. So it's not defining, actually we want you to list tables. See, you are using mobile banking on your mobile, or you are using WhatsApp, or you are using Gmail application or Outlook application. Now you have to start thinking about, okay, I'm logging in, this is my message, I'm getting message from my friends, I'm sending message. So you have to think how this data is stored behind the scenes, in case if that software application is using RDBMS as a storage layer. What would be the table name, what would be the column name? You are saying, okay, I'm filling up a sign up form at Google, my name, my city, my user ID, password. So how are they going to store? What is the table name? When you try to log in, what are they trying to select and validate your password against? Which table or column the password is stored? So you have to get into this thought process. So that is what this assignment is. But we want you to be doing assignment on the listed projects, because if you have selected a hospital management, you will be doing 7 assignments in this is the assignment number 1, and we have given a few guidelines. So this is the patient module within the hospital management, and we are listing the functionalities. If you remember, in chapter 2 assignment, we wanted you to do this. We said, take any application software and try to list the modules and the functionalities within this modules, and this is what we required in the assignment 2. But in assignment 3, we have given the software module names and the functionalities in this category or bucket or group. What happens? So you need to come up with the list of tables to satisfy these functionalities. It may be 1 table, 2 tables, or 10 tables from one group, or it can be 1 table across 2 groups. It can be anything. So we want to see your skill set, how much you understand what a table, column, and row is. So pick up a project and then try to list tables and columns, and do not worry whether you have a full list, complete, good, bad. No, all we want you is to go and try. Start thinking. That's what we want. Start thinking about the tables behind any software application. This is a hospital management system, this is a software application. And how we want you to submit your assignment is, you have to create a Google Drive spreadsheet and share it with your project mentor. We will show in the Zoom class how to create a Google spreadsheet and how to share it, if in case if you are not aware. But this is how you do it. This is an example of listing tables and columns for a banking application. So this is the table name and these are the columns, and we strongly recommend you, after you list the table and column names, we want you to insert 3 rows as a dummy data, so that you will have more clarity of what you wanted to capture in column names that you are listing. So this way, try to come up with 20 tables again. Use the functionalities from this and define the tables and columns for these functionalities on a given project. Okay, thanks a lot.